If you want the best performance from the YouTrip app, the right settings matter more than most people realize. Start by setting your base currency correctly. Make sure your home currency is selected accurately so exchange rates display clearly and conversions stay transparent. This prevents confusion when tracking spending and avoids misreading balances, especially when dealing with multiple currencies. Next, enable real-time exchange rate notifications. This allows you to monitor currency movements and convert money when rates are favorable. Even a small difference can save you several dollars over time, especially if you spend frequently or hold balances in more than one currency. Keeping notifications on ensures you never miss a better rate window. Security settings should be tightened immediately. Turn on biometric login, whether fingerprint or face recognition, and enable instant transaction alerts. This gives you immediate visibility on every payment or transfer, so any unauthorized activity is caught within seconds. If your card or phone is lost, freeze the card instantly from the app to prevent losses that could easily exceed $500 in minutes. Set spending limits inside the app. Daily and monthly limits help control expenses and prevent overspending. This is especially useful for travelers or online shoppers who want to stay within a fixed budget, whether that budget is $50 per day or $2,000 per month. Make sure international online payments are enabled only when needed. Keeping this off by default reduces exposure to fraud. Turn it on temporarily when making foreign purchases, then disable it again. Finally, keep automatic app updates enabled. YouTrip regularly improves security, performance, and currency handling. Updated versions reduce bugs, improve transaction speed, and protect your funds more effectively. With these settings optimized, the YouTrip app becomes faster, safer, and more cost-efficient, helping you manage money smarter and save real dollars without unnecessary risk.